Every time and I feel like crying, I don't waste time. Cause the pain that I face in you, maybe gonna make me die. It's 15 hours been crying and it was Christmas time. It's just a ticking time and the day I'll die it would clear my mind. Every time and I feel like crying, I don't waste time. Cause the pain that I face in you, maybe gonna make me die. It's 15 hours been crying and it was Christmas time.
Do you think I qualify to be a Valentine, and why?
You don't meet the criteria.
Ask YouTube, it is a boy goat, and I'm back, guys. Yeah, guys, it's Saturday there for you. You are watching this video Saturday. I'm here with
Play girl.
Why would you say that?
so my play lang like, do you have a Valentine's like for E14?
Yeah, no, umuntu.
Okay, do I qualify it to be your Valentine, and why?
Yeah, let's have a gift wena.
Why?
Why?
Like, do I qualify now?
Angazi.
Why?
Okay, ma qualify ufuna like ufuna something in return.
No. Like I'm sure ukuthi ngingaba na Valentine yakho, like example, yabo.
No.
Why?
Nomuntu.
If ke like bengekho umuntu.
Yeah, ungaba yi.
Why? And why not?
Angithi ngizofuna ama gift yabo.
Yanginyuza kanti.
Mina
Okay, yathi ngasiye. Will you date me? Why?
I uyintwana yami hayi.
Okay, if like ngibonga yabo. Ngibonga Joanna. Why?
Si type yami.
Sizoba grand. Sizovuka vyenu.
Ask YouTube, it is a boy goat, and I'm back. I'm here with
It's a girl marbles effect.
guys, please go follow her on TikTok anyway. So like, I just have one question. Do you have a Valentine like for E14?
No,
So like, do you think I qualify to be a Valentine, and why?
you don't meet the criteria.
Sizoba grand. Sizovuka vyenu.
What's the
Alright ne. Just ukuthi like umzimba wakho uhloniphekile. Yeah.
like in which way so?
Like manga lose some weight kancane, otherwise you're good. Yeah.
So what about the cameraman?
Cameraman. Cameraman alright, but she's not my type.
Hi guys, it's a queer for both of us, me and cameraman. Yeah, my first sakho ne part so like what can I do about like ukuthola? Like ukuthola my mantombazane.
Slimmer.
So terminal like by July. So we think slimly. So
Yeah, slimmer and improve your wrist.
Sisekake.
yo, hi guys, thanks for your time. Ask YouTube, it is a boy goat, and I'm back. I'm here with
Singobili.
so much ngomili bamafuna bakuthola lapha.
Ngiyathola ku TikTok Dora the Explorer 59.
Yeah guys, please go follow her. So Singomili una Valentine like for 14 February.
Abengina then ngayeka cause it's complicated.
Why?
Personal information.
So my do I qualify to be a Valentine, and why?
No, because you are my friend. You've been my friend from grade 1. So
Yeah, but if you get like I was in your friend, will I qualify to be you? Why? Ngitshele chona kungasabi ngitshela ndawaza ukuthi wena unjani ngitshela sibeka khuleka like I chest guys.
I see it.
Okay, in my own I'll talk to you now guys. We do not chest here at Mokwepa's fame with Port sis.
I see type yami and mina ngithanda abantu oyinkositudla yabo.
You.
Yeah.
Oh, so like weight is a problem here.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, my first what's up?
Up. Thank you, man.
else YouTube it is up boy go to Nampek I'm sure.
Kopano.
But like if they want to makuthola lapha.
If
Mawubatla ne ukuthola kokai TikTok Instagram unitholakala laphi.
Kopano.madia.
Yeah, just go follow him. So like Kopano.
.madia.
So like ne Kopano ne. Kopano ngikhuluma nayo Kopano. Kopano do you have a Valentine for E14?
No.
So like do you think I qualify ukuba Valentine yakho? Why?
Because you're not even my type, so
What's your type?
I don't have a type, but then like you have to be taller than me and you have to be peaceful. So long as you're clean and like
Also like mina ngitshele I clean me.
alright, but then you're not my type.
Why ngasi type yakho eh?
Right.
Shotani kimi.
Next, I'm John number 38.
Oh, I'm grade 6 at a time.
Oh, 9.
Ah,
10. Corner lock.
Okay. Also, my please rate me out of 10.
Obuhle. 5. Was it 5?
Why 5?
Because as I said, you're not my type.
Oh, I'm not. Else YouTube it is up boy good. And I'm back, I'm here.
You're back with your girl Kuku.
Okay, yeah, cause ukuku ne cause ukhuluma ngani. Ukuku ne. Ubani? Kuku. Yes. Yeah, guys, ukuku. So my young kuku like oh now like Valentine like for E14 February.
Oh no.
I'm now in yes. So do you think I qualify to be a Valentine?
No.
Why?
Ngiyazi anginayo name akakhona umuntu like ose ngondweni yabo.
Ubani? Cameraman.
Cameraman.
Okay. So I'll go kuku mina like please rate me out of okay khuluma.
No phela akusi uyothengela mina yimi ngithengela yena. Yep. And akusumfana, akusumfana.
Oh.
Yep. Like
khuluma yabhodla sorry.
like umuntu I think to my mom. Like yeah.
Okay like okay. So am I kuku ne? Please rate me out of 10.
Solid 8.
Why an 8?
Okay, let's do A1. You're not my type. And yeah. The height. Umude ne maka like guy the way ngifuna umuntu wamaka.
Nyama fesikhathi sakho ne. Kopho boy. Else YouTube it is a boy go to Nampek I'm here. Kutwana like if they want to connect to the TikTok, Instagram when I talk about
I don't have any social media, just bought a phone yesterday.
okay, so my like Kutwana ne unali Valentine?
I'm not sure cause yeah, maybe I do. I think I do.
Okay, so like do you think I qualify to be a Valentine and why?
Yeah, you do, but yeah, you do.
So like what do you like about me? Also, like uzuti I qualify.
Yo, what do you like about you? What do I like about you?
Yes.
Your skin. You are ordinary people like other guys.
Yes.
Oh my. Yeah, you are a little bit taller than me.
So please rate me out of 10.
Eh?
Please rate me out of 10.
Rate you.
Yes.
6.
1-6.
You are tall, but not enough.
I think so, but okay. Like, oh, what can I say? Like, do you care about weight? Like, which I'm big or?
Yeah, I do care.
Why do you care?
It's badly.
It's fine. I can chase more.
Maybe it's like I really took a more and you know what I mean. You get
okay.
Yes.
Senior, never first sakho ne. Ask me to it is a boy coat in Nampek I'm here.
Bontle.
If you want to connect to the TikTok to la
Why Gina go TikTok mabuntle?
okay, mabuntle like ne Valentine.
Anginayo.
So like do you think I qualify to be a Valentine and why?
Yo, Uzokwazi ukuzithenga lezi zinto engizifunayo.
Hayi lapha like. Hayi like uthi sijoli sana. Hayi.
Mina ngifuna izinto for Valentine. Angifuni wena.
Yes. Why? Why mina ngifuna njani?
Valentine.
Njani kanti mina?
Awuna next mara if uzokwazi ukuqualify ukuthi ungithenge lezi zinto engizifunayo.
Wena ufunani?
Yo. Nje yo ngifuna eziningi Gucci, Steve Madden, iPhone.
Okay, yazi naphume lapho. Angangikhone kusithenga. Manje ngitshela, please rate me out of 10.
8. Yeah.
Why? Oh. Lenzeni impilo?
Elingaka lona. Awusali 3/4 nyana. Mara at least rides. Yeah.
Don't vezi impilo ngapha lisho. Yeah, guys, just comment down below guys. Yama first cut sakho ne. Woza nami ngani wakhe. Up. Thanks ne, ngiyabonga.
But you know what? I'm gonna change myself, and I'm gonna be better.